What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lacuria Jones back with another video, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram at lacuria.jones. Okay, so right here I'm just parting my hair into the section of the skunk stripe, as you saw. And for this video, you will need some bleach, some clamps, a comb, a brush. I bought some 10 volume developer. Now later on in the video, you will see my skunk stripe get lighter. That's because I went back and bought a 50 volume developer for the skunk stripe. And yeah, so get a 10 if you're doing a bob, you'll need the small one. So get a 10 volume developer, which is that one right here I'm shaking up. And then that's for to turn the hair brown, okay? Because you don't need a high volume to turn the hair from black to brown. And then get you a 10 volume developer. I mean a 50 volume developer for the skunk stripe. Okay, so right here you just see me pouring the 10 volume developer in both containers. This first container I'm mixing, that's for my skunk stripe, and that one I wanted it to be more thick and consistent. And the other one is for the bleach bath that I'm going to do to turn my hair from black to brown. Okay, and while I'm mixing it, I'm just going to talk about how the video was somewhat of a fail, but I cut those parts out and I just showed you guys the finished product. As y'all can see right there on the right under my wig, I bought some semi-permanent dye by Titanium hair color, and when I put it on my skunk stripe, y'all, it did not show up at all. Maybe because I had my skunk stripe wet, but I ended up going back to the beauty supply store and getting some Adore hair dye. And you'll see that later on. And I waited till I blow dried the skunk stripe of the wig, and then I put it on, and it just came out very cute. Because at first I wanted the light pink skunk stripe and the brown hair, but I was like, no, I've never seen anyone with, you know, a hot pink skunk stripe on the bob. So I was like, that'll be cute. And period, it was. So yeah. Okay, so after I'm mixing up the bleaching developer, I took some water so I won't have to go to the bathroom. But I ended up having to go to the bathroom and get some more water because there was some water I had drunk, and I just poured the rest in there. And so I mixed it up until it got watery. Okay, so you guys, I went and put my gloves on because that bleach was already strong. I had on a mask. I would suggest you guys put on a mask when dyeing hair and dealing with bleach, so you won't smell it at all. But I put on my gloves, and now I'm just taking the braid out of the skunk stripe section that I had parted off, and I'm gonna put the bleach on my skunk stripe first because I want that to get lighter and take the bleach more than I want the other part of the bob to take. So I'm adding the bleach on, and you want to make sure you get the bleach all on the roots and the baby hairs. Now y'all, this was an old wig that I had just, you know, oh, let me transform this. So you'll still see like glue on the lace and all that. So you'll see me later like combing the baby hairs out to make sure I get the bleach on that baby hair right there, because it's going to be pink and not brown. So I just went in with my hands, y'all. You don't need no brush, none of that. I had that plastic spoon right there. Those containers were $1 a piece from Dollar Tree. And yeah, it gets the job done. So now I'm putting a clamp on that section, and it's going to be turning lighter, as you'll see later on in the video. And now I'm about to go in and dip the wig into the bleach bath. Okay, so you want to dip, you know what I'm saying? Get it all wet and juicy, you know. Get the bleach on every part of the hair. Now with that, you have to open the hair up because like the water was just on the outside until I realized that it wasn't getting on the inside. So I opened up and like, you know, just went crazy. With me only wanting to turn the weave from black to brown, I was like, I thought it was going to be turning brown while it was in there. I had watched videos of some people where you could see their hair turning brown off rip, but that's probably because they had a higher developer number. I only had 10, so I did have to let it sit on there for about 10-15 minutes, and I rinsed it off because I was scared that, you know, it was going to turn lighter, but it didn't. It turned it to actual brown. And that was it for the bleaching process. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I did go back to the beauty supply store once the wig dried and got some 50 volume developer and put it on the skunk stripe, which is the color it came out to right here. And so I put a rubber band on the whole part of the bob, and I got ready to put the dye on it. And that's it, Pink Blush by Adore. And I've already applied it to the skunk stripe, and y'all, it came out so cute. Like, just look at that. Look at it. Exactly. And this is it once it blow dried. Well, I let it air dry overnight, and then I just blow dried some odds and ends of it that was still a little damp. And yeah, period. And y'all, excuse my bed and the floor in the background, my door off the hinges. We getting our house renovated, and I just had got that bed that day. So my comforter hadn't came in. They hadn't put the doors on there. But that's enough of that. Look at me, y'all. It's giving silk press. It's giving real hair. You get what I'm saying? Yes. And that's it for this video. Make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow my Instagram, LaKyria.Jones, and all my other social medias, which are on the screen. And yeah, thank you for watching.